Stuck with the Wlanutil.dll DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. To kick off the WLAN utility guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the WLAN Utility, the Wireless LAN Utility Library. It provides unmanaged helper functions for remapping Wi-Fi error codes and diagnostic telemetry into localized text manifests for the application data link. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Wlanutil is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan, now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with WLAN utility. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A quick warning, many sites offering WLAN Utility DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. One approach to reviewing WLAN utility references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. To keep WLAN utility running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.